Begin by gathering all necessary dry ingredients for the pancake recipe. Measure out 1 cup, 125 grams of all-purpose flour using a measuring cup or kitchen scale. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar to the flour mixture. Incorporate 1 teaspoon of baking powder to ensure a light and fluffy texture. Include 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda to aid in the rising process. Finish by adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt to enhance the overall flavor profile. Begin by gathering the wet ingredients in a separate mixing bowl. Combine 3/4 cup, 180 milliliters of milk with 1 large egg. Add 2 tablespoons of melted butter and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, optional. Whisk all ingredients together until a smooth, well-combined mixture is achieved. Begin by gently pouring the wet ingredients into the bowl containing the dry ingredients. Use a spatula to combine the wet and dry components. Stir the mixture until it is just combined. Avoid overmixing the batter to maintain a light and fluffy texture. A few lumps in the batter are acceptable and will not negatively affect the final product. Begin by heating a non-stick pan or griddle over medium heat. Lightly grease the heated pan with butter or cooking spray to prevent sticking. Pour approximately 1/4 cup of batter onto the hot pan for each pancake and cook until bubbles form. Flip the pancakes and cook the other side until it achieves a golden brown color. Then serve with desired toppings.